Hello guys, I'm Dr. Ritik, Emergency General Physician. Happy International Yoga Day for all peoples. Okay. Today I will tell some health benefits of going yoga daily. Okay. Please listen carefully. Follow me. Okay. I will tell daily benefits of yoga daily. Okay. Be conscious. Follow. Okay. Let's do meditation. Okay. Come with me. Meditation is very important for mental activity. It can help for reduce the stress, anxiety, depression. Okay, and it is also very important for mental well-being. It promote the health for like physical activity and good sleep. Okay, and minimum 30 to 45 minutes you do daily meditation for your mental activity. Okay. Guys, this is called running. Minimum 10 to 20 minutes daily running. It is health benefits for maintaining whole body, maintaining good heart, good lungs, and good joints and movements of the body. To maintain daily running for reduce the aging of the body and keep maintaining the body physically, mentally active. Okay, do daily running. Okay. Let's do Surya Namaskara. Okay, follow me. Surya Namaskar it is best for meditation and improve the physical activity, mental activity, and other complication of the disease which promote healing of the health. Okay, we can do daily early morning, daily meditation and physical activity and Surya Namaskar it is very important for well-being of the health. Okay, this can improve your focus, concentration, memory, and other activities of the your daily work. Okay, you do daily Surya Namaskara before starting your exercise, yoga, and other activities. Okay, okay. We move on to the next physical activity. Okay, follow me. This is exercise for physical activity like aerobic exercise. It can improve your physical activity and maintain your body fitness and improve your any other promoting good health like improve the concentration of the physical like focus, improve memory, concentration, and it can help for maintaining good weight of the body. You do daily minimum 80 to 90 types of aerobic exercise. Okay. Okay. Next, follow to the maintain Trikonasana. Okay. Follow. This is called Trikonasana. It's very important for maintaining your age of the body. It can help for healing of the age and reduce the aging of the body. Okay, and it is very important for fitness of the body, gives flexibility of the body and improve concentration, memory, and good for joints fitness and ligaments of the body, and it is very important for maintaining your body balance. Okay, next do Anjaneyasana. Okay, follow me. This is called Anjaneyasana. It's very important for maintaining our joints and pelvis of the body. It can improve your control your diabetic hypertension and liver problem and fatty liver. It can reduce your all infection of the body. Okay, do daily this activity. Okay, next move on to the Bhujangasana. Okay, follow me. Called Bhujangasana. It is very important for maintaining our spine, joints of the vertebra, backbone. It reduces the pain of the backbone and improve the nerve supply of the body, and it can improve mentally your activity like reduce the stress of the body, and it is also very important for old age people. Daily doing Bhujangasana is also improve for your body spine, body posture, mentally active, and improve your concentration of the brain. Okay, next we do to the Sarvangasana. Follow me. Sarvangasana. It's very important for skin and hairs. It can promote your skin health and promote your hairs growth, and it is also maintain for your reduce the stress and improve your scalp supply to the blood supply to the scalp and improve your hair growth. Okay, and it's very important for skin like skin disorders, pigmentation. It can improve your blood supply to the skin and improve your face glow. Okay, follow these tips. Okay, we do next Chakravasana. Okay, follow me. Today is over all some important doing daily exercise yoga. Okay, maintain this daily routine for your life and you never become sick. Okay, this is called Chakravasana. Chakravasana is very important for your spine, back of the nerve supply of the body, and it is very important for circulation of the body from toes to the head. It is very important for promoting your good posture and good flexibility of the body. Okay, this should be follow minimum 15 to 30 seconds to Chakravasana. Okay, let's do daily yoga. Don't skip yoga. when you are doing daily yoga, you will never become sick and never become reducing your all important of the disease, and it's very important for your anti-aging. Okay, please follow daily yoga, and once again I will tell happy International Yoga Day for your all peoples. Okay, namaste.